Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to properly amend your LLC operating agreement. Changes in your business structure, management, or operations necessitate updates to this crucial document. Let's go step by step to ensure your LLC stays compliant and aligned with your business goals. Here are 6 steps to amend your LLC operating agreement. 1. Identify changes needed. Begin by conducting a thorough review of your current operating agreement. Look for any clauses that no longer reflect your business operations or structure. For example, if you've decided to change the profit distribution among members or there are new members to include, these will require amendments. 2. Draft the amendments. Once you know what needs changing, write out the specific amendments. If you're adding a member, specify their contributions, ownership percentage, and roles. For removing a member, detail how their exit is handled regarding their shares and responsibilities. Be clear and precise to avoid future misunderstandings. 3. Consult a lawyer. This step is crucial. Have a business attorney review your proposed amendments to ensure that they comply with state laws and don't create potential legal issues. An attorney can also provide advice on best practices for phrasing and implementing changes. 4. Member approval. Most LLCs require a majority vote from all members to amend the operating agreement. Organize a meeting, present the amendments, and hold a vote. Record the outcomes in the meeting minutes as a legal record. This ensures all members are on board and understand the changes. 5. Sign and notarize. After approval, have all members sign the amended agreement in the presence of a notary. This formalizes the document and may be required for filing with state agencies. Notarization adds a layer of verification and helps protect against future disputes over the authenticity of the signatures. 6. File with the state. If required, some states require that changes to the operating agreement, especially those that affect structural or management details, be filed with the state's business registry. Check with your local Secretary of State to see if you need to submit your amended agreement or other documents like updated articles of organization. Amending your LLC's operating agreement is an important process that ensures your company documentation reflects current operations and member agreements. By following these detailed steps, you can execute amendments efficiently and legally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or experiences you have in the comments below. Stay compliant and keep your LLC running smoothly.